Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today we are making cake balls for Valentine's Day. In Japan, Valentine's Day is the only day for the girls to tell their feelings to the boys. Giving chocolate means asking a date. But there are other kinds of Valentine's Day chocolate. Tomochoco is for friends to express their appreciation for the friendships. Obligation chocolate is for the bosses or co-workers asking their support, or even for ourselves. Making homemade chocolate is very popular in Japan instead of buying. Buying hundreds of chocolate costs you so much. This is my version of chocolate for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. Put your chocolate on the 60 degrees Celsius hot bath to melt completely. I am using the chocolate for coating, but you can use candy melt. First, we need to crumb the cake. I'm using the leftover seed sponge from the last week. I keep every cake crumb in my fridge for this recipe. If you don't have any cake crumbs, bake it, or you can buy it from the grocery store. Other ingredients are semi-sweet chocolate, milk chocolate, roasted walnut, and rum raisin. If you don't want the alcohol in your cake bowl, just skip it and replace with your favorite ingredients like chopped pecans, apricot, or cranberries, and anything you like. I recommend adding some nuts for crunchiness in any case. The recipe is quite easy. All you have to do is basically crumbling the cake. You can use a food processor or a stand mixer, but it takes no longer than 5-6 minutes. Add your rum raisin, and I add the leftover dried fruit from the holiday baking. Toast to combine everything, adding heavy cream and dark rum. Mix by your hand or a spatula. You can save time by mixing by your hand. Take one handful of cake dough and it sticks nicely together, it is okay. If it's too dry, add a little bit more heavy cream to adjust. If it's too sticky, add a small amount of toasted panko breadcrumbs to absorb the liquid. Now let's divide into bite-sized pieces. I am using a small ice cream disher to make even balls. After dividing, roll them into a small tater tots. You can make it into round balls, but I preferred tater tots shape because it's easier to coat in the melted chocolate. You will see the reason why later on. Dip them in the melted chocolate and coat the entire surface and tap several times on the chocolate to drip off any excess. You can get that thin chocolate shell. You can use regular chocolate, but you have to temper it. I believe it isn't fun for any of you, so I recommend to use the coating chocolate or candy melt. Ideally, using tempered chocolate is the best in the taste, but there is always a possibility to fail, so I am using the coating chocolate. Follow the package instruction before you use in any case. Slide the fork at the edge of the bowl to drip off any excess and transfer onto the parchment paper. Repeat the process and cover all the cake balls. Chill in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's make it fancy like a chocolate shop. Let me show you how to make the piping cone. Cut your parchment paper diagonally. Roll up from the bottom part of the corner, no gaps in between, and staple the end. Line the chilled cake balls on the parchment paper. If your cake balls have excess chocolate, cut it off with the tip of the knife. Transfer your melted chocolate in the cone and drizzle over the cake balls. I am using white chocolate on top of the semi-sweet chocolate to make it pretty, but just use the same chocolate you covered the cake balls. Chill in the fridge a couple of minutes and there you have your cake balls. Keep the rest of the chocolate wrapped in a plastic wrap for the next recipe. It will keep well over a month. save some for me and I'll put them in a beautiful box that I keep to my husband. Pack your lovely cake balls in line with the parchment paper cups. Look at that! That looks better than the chocolate shop. Lots of flavor in these small cake balls. Brew a nice cup of coffee or espresso with your loved one. I love this small bowl packed with goodness. I'm making this for more than 20 years. I love this so much. I hope you will like it too. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Share the video with your friends and families. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Please go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. I put the link in the description box below. I want to bring you the best Japanese recipes for your good eat and good health. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!